Morning children, how are you? Are you fine? Very good. Open your activity book. First of all, I will give homework to you. Open your activity book. Already I gave 18, 19 and 20 pages as homework. I gave 18, 19 and 20 pages as a homework. Did you complete it? Very good. Next, take a 21 page. Take a today's homework is complete 21, 22, 23 pages. 20, what you have to do? Cooked. Put C for cooked. Proceed food items. Mark E for food items that can be eaten raw. N for the food items that generally have to be cooked before eating. This means which are the foods cooked already, cooked foods which are ready to eat. Which are the food items already cooked and ready to eat. మన తినడానికి రెడీగా ఉండే ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఏంటి చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Here biscuit, here chips and here chocolate. Okay, some are ready, some are ready to eat, which are already cooked and ready to eat. The food items which are already cooked and ready to eat, for them we have to use write C for biscuit C. Understand? Already it was prepared, we are ready to eat. Next, eaten raw, which is not cooked. The food item which is not cooked, eaten by raw అంటే మనం రెడీగా దాన్ని అసలు కుక్ చేయమనం. Here nana pomegranate is there. Can we cook that? Can we cook pomegranate? Can we cook strawberry? Can we cook apple? Can we cook mango? No, they are ready to eat. We eat them by raw. అంటే వాటిని వండకుండగానే మనం పచ్చి తినేస్తాం. ఏంటి? ఆల్ ద ఫ్రూట్ ఐటమ్స్. మన ఫ్రూట్స్ని వండుకుంటామా? మ్యాంగో, బనానా, గ్రేప్స్, ఆరెంజ్ చేసి తింటామా? No, we are eaten by raw. The items which are eaten by raw, for them we have to write a E. E for the raw items. Okay. N for food items that generally have to be cooked. ఖచ్చితంగా కుక్ చేయాలి. కుక్ చేసి తినాలి. వీటిని meat is there, we have to cook. The food item should be cooked. For them we have to use N. C for the cooked items which are ready to eat. Example, biscuit. E for the food items which are eaten raw. అంటే వండకుండా తినేసి వాటికి E అని రాయాలి. And N means we have to cook surely. After cooking only we have to eat. But the food items, they have to be cooked. For then we have to write a N. Okay. Next, the next page. Cross the food items that are not suitable for vegans. Vegans means they will eat only the food items we get from plants. Even though they won't eat honey, milk also, curd also, they won't take. The vegans won't eat honey, milk, curd, ghee, butter, anything, because it comes from animals. Honey comes from honeybee. It's an insect. Milk from cow. We are getting milk from cows and buffaloes. Cows and buffaloes are the animals. That's what the vegans won't take the food items which we will get from animals. యానిమల్స్ నుండి వచ్చే కౌ మిల్క్ కూడా తీసుకోరంట. మరి ఏ ఫుడ్ వాళ్ళకి సూటబుల్గా ఉంటుంది? ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ మ్యాంగో. మ్యాంగో దే విల్ ఈట్. యూ మస్ట్ క్రాస్ ద ఐటమ్స్ విచ్ వీ డోంట్ టేక్. వాళ్ళు తీసుకుని వాటికి మనం టిక్ చేయాలి. ఫిష్ దే విల్ టేక్. ఇయర్ సమోసా దే విల్ టేక్. వెజ్ సమోసా అయితే తీసుకుంటారు కదా, దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి మనం? నో దే విల్ టేక్. విచ్ దే వోంట్ టేక్. వాళ్ళు ఏం తీసుకోరు వాటికి మనం క్రాస్ మార్క్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఫిష్ క్రాస్ మార్క్, హియర్ క్రాస్ మార్క్, హియర్ milk also they won't take a cross mark. Will take honey, they won't take a big cross mark, like that. Okay, the items which they won't take, you must keep the cross mark. Next, these are the kitchen items. The kitchen items are given here down. Their names are given. You must complete this. Okay, mind map. In our course book, mind map is given now. Same, you must draw here. Okay, activity book is completed. Now open your workbook. I am giving notes to you. Open your workbook. Name the food items with the help of the given words. Here, idli, vada, dosa, chapati, biryani, noodles, samosa, omelette, curry, fish curry, curd, bread, rice, cornflakes, sweet, ice cream. You must write down. There you are able to write. Okay, fill up this page according to their pictures. The food items names are also given here. You must complete. And take next page. All parts of plants are consumed by us as food. We are taking all the parts of the plant. Give example, suitable examples for each part. Part and examples. From root. From root we get a beetroot. Root nustundadi. We get carrot from root. And radish, and the sweet potato. Sweet potato from the root. Sweet potato is another potato is another amma. Sweet potato ante veru, potato ante veru. Potato ante mana curry vandukuntam chudu, adi potato. Sweet potato ante కందగడ్డ అంటారు చూసారా, మనం శివరాత్రి ఎప్పుడు కందగడ్డలు వేస్తారు, మమ్మీ ఉడకబెడతారు, స్వీట్గా ఉంటాయి అవి. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ స్వీట్ పొటాటో. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెమ్, ఏరియల్, asparagus and celery. These we can get from the aerial. And stem from underground. Potato, onion, yam. Okay, come in. Next, leaf. Leaf, cabbage, amaranthus, and spinach. Next, fruit. Write some fruits: banana, apple, mango. Seed, seed, peas and grains. Peas and grains. Okay, complete. Next, we get food from many animals. Name some of them. Land animals and aquatic animals. Land animals. Goat. What are the land animals? Sheep, cow, buffalo, hen, and honeybee. Honeybee. Aquatic animals means water animals which are used as food. Aquatic animals means water animals which are used as food. Fish, prawns, and turtle. Turtle also used for food. Turtle kuda food తీసుకుంటారు. Okay, complete it. Next, complete the table and note down your favorite. Amma, it's 8 o'clock now. First one. First clock is showing 8. 8 means morning. It is called a morning. The food which we take in the morning is called a breakfast. And here write your favorite food. Last one is your choice. Here the time clock is given now. The clock is showing 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock means morning. Morning we will take breakfast. Which is your favorite breakfast? That is your chance. Make nachina breakfast me raskondi. Okay? Next is showing 1 o'clock. Next clock is showing 1 o'clock means that is afternoon. The food which we'll take in the afternoon is called a lunch. Here write your favorite curry. Which is your favorite curry? You must write down. Okay? Next favorite curry. Now next clock is showing 5 o'clock. It is evening. The food which we will take in the evening is called a snack. What is your favorite snack? You must write down. Okay? Snacks. A snack next. Last clock is showing 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock at night. It is night. The food which we will take at night is called a dinner. The food which we will take in the morning is called breakfast. Afternoon is called lunch. Evening is called snacks. Night is called a dinner. And which you want to take, which is a favorite one to take in the dinner time, you must try that. These are your favorites. Favorite curries, favorite breakfast, favorite curry, favorite snack, favorite dish, anyone at night. Okay? Next. Food items, source. Identify the food items and note down the source of their ingredients. Okay? First food item is meat now. Where do we get meat? Meat from animals. Next food item is fish. Fish also we get from animals. Next, rice. Rice we get from plants. Next one is curd. Curd from animals. Next one is dal. Dal from plants. Next one is omelette. Antena? Omelette. Omelette from the animals. And also here ingredients also given. Onions. Onions from plants. Tomato also given, no? Tomato from plants. And here lemon. Lemon also from plants. Last item. After this lemon, right? Lemon from plants. Omelette. Tomato from plants. Completed. I'm rubbing. Next, fill in the blanks. The staple food in South India is. What is the important food in South India? మనం దేనికి ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇస్తాము చెప్పండి? For the rice. First one is rice. Non-vegetarians eat animal products as well as dash products. Non-vegetarians eat non-veg and also animal products and also plants products. Here plants. They will eat animal products and also plants products. Our body needs fuel in the form of food. Example of edible underground stem is stem. Example for is potato. Most our food comes from plants. Food is essential for our health and growth. For our health and growth. Okay, complete. I'm rubbing. Next, true or false. Say whether the given statements are true or false. We get food from all animals in the world. We are eating all the animals. All animals we are eating? No, false. First one is false. Second one, people prepare special dishes during festivals. Yes. And a special dish eppudu chestuntamu on our festivals. So true. Vegans take buttermilk. Vegans take buttermilk instead of milk in their food. They will take buttermilk. No, they won't take any milk. Milk, curd, anything they won't take. So false. So animal products use cheyaru kada vallu. They won't use animal products. False. Vegetarians don't eat meat. Vegetarians don't eat meat. As true. All the cooked food items have the same taste. All the food items have the same taste. No. False. Cooked food is easy to digest for us. Yes. Cooked food is easy to digest. True. We get seafood from honeybees. Seafood. Honeybees are giving seafood. Honeybees are giving only honey. Where we are getting the seafood? From the aquatic animals like fish, swan, shrimp, turtle, like that. Crab. Crab is చాలా మంది తింటారు. Okay? So that is false. Seventh one is false. Cooking is comfortable in modular kitchen. ఇప్పుడు కుకింగ్ ఈజ్ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఇన్ మోడరన్ కిచెన్ అంటే మనకు ఒకప్పుడు ఫైర్ వుడ్ పెట్టుకొని కష్టంగా వంట చేసేవాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు కుకింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మోడర్న్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్. సో ట్రూ. మ్యాథ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. ఫుడ్. సి. బేసిక్ నీడ్. ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ అవర్ బేసిక్ నీడ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ సి. First one is C. Second one, edible seeds. Groundnut. Seed is a groundnut. LPG. LPG. Fuel for cooking. అంతేనా? LPG గ్యాస్ ఏం చేస్తారా మనము వంట చేస్తాం. Nectar. Nectar is a food of butterfly. B. Nectar is the food of butterfly. Early man. Fire. Early man invented fire. Take next page. Name the vegetables that can be eaten raw. Name the vegetables that can be eaten raw. Example: carrot, beetroot, and also onion. పచ్చి ఆనియన్ కూడా తింటారు. Okay, these are the food items we can eat. One more also askunna, beetroot and also cucumber. Okay, carrot, beetroot, onion, cucumber. This class is completed. Tomorrow we will complete our notes. Okay, bye.